Hi guys, welcome back to another decoration vlog. So for this vlog, what we are going to do is to show you how we decorated a student condominium. This is a one bedroom, well sort of one bedroom kasi it looks like a studio with a partition. So it looks like, well kaya it's sort of a one bedroom condominium. So this condo unit is located near a university. That's why the target users are students. So ang idea is to have it rented by 2 students. Grabe no, yung mga estudyante may may mga pa-condo. Dati wala namang ganyan-ganyan. In the video, you'll see all the decoration process and how we transformed it from bare to something like this. Also guys, I want to encourage you to click the caption on kasi later there are videos na ma-echo because wala pang laman yung space. So minsan baka hindi nyo ganong maintindihan. Apart from minsan hindi nyo talaga maintindihan yung sinasabi ko. Wait. So before you go to the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the red button and subscribe. Alright, let's go. The idea for the condo is to be shared by 2 students. For kitchen and dining, we'll add a utility cabinet for cleaning materials and additional storage unit. We also added cabinet doors on the existing overhead cabinets and also a floating shelves for the microwave. For the bedroom, instead of the usual double-deck beds, because we have enough space, we'll put 2 single beds instead. We are also creating a study area that can fit 2 at the same time, with wall-mounted TV and floating shelves. For storage, we are installing built-in cabinets, an overhead cabinet with sliding door, and also each one will have a bedside drawer table. So, medyo ma-echo pa kasi walang laman eh. So, we are now in a new condo that we will be styling. Hopefully, maging okay din siya. It's actually, again, feeling ko maging answer na ako ng mga student dormitory type condominium. So it's another student dormitory type condominium that we will be styling. And this unit actually is a 1-bedroom unit daw. Pero it looks like a studio na may partitions. I'm here, first visit, and then we will be getting some measurements and see the look of the place, what we can do. The idea is to have like not a double deck, pero 2 single beds here. So we will see. Okay, see you guys. We are going to measure VAC. We're going to measure also the window blinds. We can order them. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to talk with the admin. We need to actually let them know that we are refitting it. That we are refitting this unit. We're dressing up. Para we have permission. We are going to measure we're going to measure yung length and yung height for the blinds here, and also we are thinking of putting some shutters as well dito sa ating door. We're back here in the studio that we are going to be furnishing, and right now our agenda is to find a place where we will do our accent wall. So accent wall, let's talk about accent wall. Okay, so what is an accent wall? An accent wall is normally a wall that you want to highlight in a room. It is the focal point of a space or in a room. In order to create an accent wall, you have to identify first which wall you want to highlight, which is when you go inside a room, saan mo gusto i-direct yung mga mata nung guest mo. If you have a wall that stands out, that is your accent wall already. Pero kung wala, if all the walls are plain, you can create your accent wall by adding textures such as bricks and masonry, or you can create shelves, or pinakamadali is to have it painted. That's the most economical and easiest solution is to have paint. So I'm thinking I'll put it here kung saan yung desk natin and where we'll put our shelves, the white, para it will pop up. So I'm going to paint here dark gray paint. No, so parang hindi siya charcoal, gray pa rin siya. So hindi siya black. Okay, so far iniisip kong lagyan ng paint, tapos if magdadagdag ako, isipin ko pa. Pero so far, doon tayo. Alright, so let's go. painting, guys. I chose Davis paint this time. Satin type Davis paint. Ang code niya M157. So if you want to replicate, that's the code. One of like gray hues siya. So color testing. So far I like it. Yung colors natin. So ito tayo. Paint, guys. Okay, progress here. We started na yung mga cabinets. So, mayroon na tayo dito sa taas. And toilet. Ayan, may cabinet na tayo. Okay, work in progress. Yan, may shelf na tayo sa taas. Sobrang kalat. And all of the stuff that we will do pag natapos na, pag nalinis na, we have some styling. Tapos we have our cabinet here. So ito mga to, we have to retouch. Kasi nagasgas. Tapos our desk over here, floating desk. Next time, try namin na may paa. Ngayon, stick tayo with the floating one. Okay, so we're building the hanging shelves. So ito yung ilalagay nila, yung stand. Ayan. Para pwede yung manipis. Hi everyone, so we are in the final stretch of this flat. So right now we have installed most of the stuff already. So cleaning tayo now, and also I'll be assembling some Ikea stuff that we bought. So ayun, that's our target for the day. So ayun, sige, see you guys. Aside from that, we'll have to clean the walls, touch up. So I'll do some painting in this area. So ito din, no, yung may mga konti tayong lagpas dyan. So we have to clean itong part na yan. So there you go. Okay, so we are assembling this. So you have this manual from Ikea. So it's mom. So easy lang naman siya. Medyo you need to, sa umpisa, nakaka-confused yung ano yan. Yung lahat ng materials. When you open the box, sobrang ang dami niya. Pero once you get the hang of all the instructions, it's easy naman. Wala ko pang time-lapse now kasi I forgot my Osmo Pocket. So ito na siya. And yay! Done! We got another Ikea pack here. This is the shoe rack na assemble natin. It's called the Visa shoe rack. As you can see, we use a lot of Ikea stuff in the decoration for this condo, even though we don't have Ikea here in the Philippines yet. I actually wrote a blog on where you can get your Ikea items here in the Philippines. So check it out in the description box below. Okay, now let's go back to the video. Hi guys! So last day cause linis time, and ito actually yung pinaka-exciting. Pero nag-isip pa, no? Pinaka-exciting sa lahat kasi it will show yung transformation of the whole place. Okay, so right now what I'm doing, I'm unpacking some boxes. Kasi inside, andun yung mga pillows, tapos some of the accessories. So right now, nakita nyo yung table. Punong-puno yan ng plates, punong-puno yan ng mga accessories, and yun. Long way to go, but we have the full day. Hopefully you will like it. So by the end of this video, you'll see the final output of this condo. Sana ma-enjoy nyo, guys. And sana you'll get inspired of how you will design your studio or your condominium or your room. Kahit ano basta design. Anyway, so bye! So we are done here. So right now, the only task that I'll be doing is to take some photographs para to share to you guys. So photographs of how it looks like now. Ang linis na, di ba? So ayun. So I'm going to show it to you now in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you liked it and hope you got some ideas and inspiration in creating your own space. If you like videos like this, please again don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'll be doing a lot of decor videos and DIY videos in the future. So that's it for now. Thank you again for watching. This is Kenneth and see you all very soon.